Jawdroppers, yeah!
You know, while I was driving over here today, I had the weirdest premonition behind the wheel of the car about something automotive. I don't know if it was because I was driving. I don't know what it's about. I'm hoping this little experiment I'm about to conduct will explain something. Scott, would you help me with this trick?
Sure.
Okay, this involves my business cards, and I want you to have one of my business cards, and I'd like to get one of yours. I'm going to place a bunch of them on the table here. And I'd like to see if this premonition I had has anything to do with the cards. I'd like to give you my card, as I said, so let's eliminate all of these cards except one, because I have a feeling that only one of these, I guess 9 or 10 cards here, is right for you. I don't know what that means, but we'll mix them up like this, and let's eliminate just in a random, haphazard fashion by doing it this weird way. I'll point to 2 of these cards, and I'll ask you to eliminate one of the 2 cards I'm pointing to, and then we'll switch around and you point to 2, and I'll eliminate one of those, and then we'll go back and forth till we get down to 1 card and see what happens, okay? Right. So we'll mix them up, and I'll start out by pointing to these 2 here. Which one do you want to eliminate? Okay, that's gone. Now you point to 2 cards. Great, I'll eliminate this one, and now I'll point to 2 cards, these 2. All right, that one's gone. Now you point to any 2. Great, and I'll eliminate this one, and now I'll point to 2. How about these 2 here? All right, that one's gone, and now you point to 2. All right, and that one's gone. Now I'll point to 2. How about these 2 here? All right, that one's gone, and now, of course, if you point to 2, go ahead. You don't have much of a choice, do you? I'll eliminate 1. Now let's see if we can find out what this is the one we're going to hold on to, but let's look at these here that we eliminated. Now, I told you it had something to do with automotive. I'm going to confess, I wrote something on the back of these cards. I'm going to turn them over. You'll see I have the names and colors of various cars. That's a black Jeep Cherokee, yellow Chevy pickup, a red Honda Accord, a silver Chrysler LeBaron, a blue Nissan Sentra, etc. There's a few more. You can read those. Are any of these your car,
No,
Scott?
No.
What do you drive?
A Gold Isuzu Trooper?
Let's look at the one card that we came down to and see if that has anything to do with what happened right there. I'm so glad you drive that car. Now, if I can find 8 people that drive these, I can do this trick 8 more times. That's great.